Welcome to the family and the feast.
Hi, welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe Brandon.
In today's video we will be making carrot cake, and this is a requested video from one of my subscribers, so I hope you enjoy. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need for your carrot cake, guys. Flour, sugar, carrots, egg, oil. I have some evaporated milk, baking soda, cinnamon, and I also have a cinnamon stick here, essence, nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. So the first thing we're going to do is put our carrots to boil, and I'm going to set up my mixer. So to my pot, I'm going to add in my carrots, and I'm going to add in 1 stick of cinnamon. We're going to allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. You don't want it to be fully cooked, just halfway through. So guys, I took my carrots off the stove, and here is a look at one and the texture it is. When you press it inside, it's still stiff enough. It's not overcooked. So we're gonna put this in the hand blender, and I'm gonna blend this now. So to blend that, I'm gonna add in my milk, and I'm gonna add in my essence. And I'm gonna start blending this. If you don't have a hand blender, you can put this in your blender or your food processor, anything you have that can make it nice and smooth. So guys, here's a look at the consistency. And you don't want this to be too liquidy, so that's really good the way it is there. We're gonna put this on the side, and we're gonna start working on the cake. Now that my mixer is set up, I'm going to add in my oil, my sugar, and I'm going to add in my eggs. I'm going to go crack these and add them in as well. Just make sure you crack them separately so you don't add any bad ones. So now that my egg is in there, I'm going to add in my pureed carrots. And I'm going to start my mixer on low and gradually increase the speed. So I'm going to go check on my mixture now. I want to make sure that all the sugar is melted before I add any other ingredients in this. So until you don't see all the sugar melted, don't add any other ingredients to your mixture. So I'm still feeling a little bit of sugar grains. I'm going to allow it to mix some more until it's all melted. So guys, to your flour, you're going to add in all your dry ingredients, which is the baking soda, the baking powder, the salt, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. And with a whisk, you're gonna mix to ensure all your ingredients are combined. So now that this is combined, you're gonna grab yourself a next bowl, and you're gonna put a strainer over. We're just gonna sift this through. So we're all set. This is all ready to add to your mixture. So now that our mixture is ready to add in the flour, you're gonna add in a little bit at a time, and you're gonna wait until that is completely mixed in the batter before you add in the rest of the flour. I'm gonna start my mixer on low and gradually increase the speed while I'm adding in the flour. So I stop my mixer. I just want to scrape the sides down. I'm going to start my mixer back. And while this is mixing, I'm going to go get my pan ready. So my cake is done mixing, guys. I'm gonna take this off now. So here's a look at my batter, guys. You can still see the carrots in it. The reason I boiled and puree my carrots is because I don't like when my carrot cake have chunks of carrots inside, and I don't think the kids like it that way either, so that's why I always puree my carrots. So I'm using this 9-inch springform pan. So I'm gonna line the bottom with some parchment paper. I'm gonna spray my pan with some palm spray. And I'm gonna brush this on with my brush to ensure the entire thing is coated evenly. And I'm gonna toss some flour in that now. So once the entire pan is covered, you're gonna hit your pan to the edge of your sink and get all the excess flour out. So before I empty my batter into my pan, I'm going to preheat my oven to 325 degrees. So my oven is preheating, and I'm going to give my cake a mix before I add it into the pan. So now that my oven is preheated, I'm going to add in my cake. And I'm going to allow this to bake for 45 minutes before I check on it. So it's been 45 minutes and I'm going to check on my cake now. So my toothpick didn't come out clean. I'm going to leave that for a next 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm going to take my cake out now. Here's a look at my cake. I took it out of the oven. It was baking for 1 hour and 20 minutes to be exact. Depending on your temperature of your oven, it may take a little bit longer or maybe shorter time. Just make sure you keep an eye on it every now and then. I'm gonna allow this to cool down before we cut into it, and Chloe's gonna try it and she'll let you know how good it is. So guys, our cake has cooled down. We're gonna take it out of the pan now. So I'm going to cut into this so you can see how the inside is. And look at that. Look at how soft this is. You can still see the bits and pieces of carrots in there. There's no chunks. Now Chloe's gonna try it and she will tell you how good it is.
Hi guys, I'm gonna try it. Can I have some more cream, please?
Yeah, you can.
Your boy is melting. What cream massage?
Okay, so we hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in our next video.
Carrot is yummy, guys. Bye. Comment down below. And subscribe. Bye. Bye.